Hi everybody, it's Julie. Today we're going to be working with numbers. So I need to make an embellishment and the base needs to have numbers. I've chosen this ticket and so the N in November, numbers, and I'm going to make a hidden paper clip. So I'm going to go ahead. I've got an index card. This is a really simple way of doing this. I'm going to go ahead and put my paper clip over the top of this. The cool thing is this will be a large one and it will hold a lot under it. Okay, so the next thing I have is I have this scrap and I'm going to go ahead and you know what? I'm going to go ahead and put my ticket on here. Okay, and that way I get an idea of where I need to go. So using my art glitter glue, we're using scrapbook paper. Okay, so scrapbook paper is one of my three things. So I have my numbers on my ticket. Go ahead and put that on there. Okay. Get that all nice and lined up. And then I'm going to go ahead and fold this over. Okay. Fold it over like this. And then I'll be able to cut across here. And cut up this side. Okay, and that's going to give me my top piece for my hidden paper clip. So I am going to move this over a little. Okay, so again, this is a index card that I've folded in half, and this is going to just barely fit on there. Like it was meant to be, huh? So I am going to add fabric tack because of the gel and because of how fast it dries. It will go around my paper clip and help it to be part of the bottom here. I'm going to go ahead and come over here and grab the top. Okay, so we'll put this on. Okay, make sure we're on the index card. Excuse me. Okay, we're going to come on here. Now, the cool thing about a hidden paper clip is when this goes into the journal, you're going to be able to see both sides, okay? So both sides of this paper clip are, you're going to be able to see them, okay? So there we go. There we go. Okay. So now I'm just going to clean up around the bottom here. Across the bottom here. And on this one, you see how the scrap paper was a little bit off? Well, you know what? That's just going to make it easier to put it on. And we'll just make it look kind of like a ticket down here. Okay, that's fine. But it also makes it easier to use. Okay, so there we go. And then this will be able to go onto our page like this, okay? Or because we've gone ahead and done it this way, it can go this way. Okay. Excuse me. So that is, so far we've used scrapbook paper as one of our items. Okay, now for our Dear Julie Julie digital, I'm going to come over and grab this piece. And I also have a piece of a, this is a flinch card from the Dear Julie Julie flinch card kit. Of course, it's all numbers. It's the numbers 1 through 31. And we're going to go ahead and put that, I'm going to put it at an angle, okay? So these are going to give me my Dear Julie Julie digitals, which I need to use a Dear Julie Julie digital on here somewhere. Okay. And then I'm going to put this little guy on. This is from the mini embellishment page. And it's one of the large tags now all the way down to mini size. Okay, and I want to keep the numbers. Okay. Okay. So now I have from the Grabby box, yesterday's video was the Grabby box. I'm going to go ahead and add one of the pearls. Oh, you know what? I thought that was the tiny one. It's not. Okay, I've taken the dot off now. There we go. Okay, so we used a tiny pearl. And we will also use just a little bit of this is the joint tape. Okay. This is from Lowe's. It is in the attached products. I have links to art glitter glue, which you want to hurry up and get while they're still shipping it before it gets too cold. And also I have the link to Lowe's for the joint tape. Okay, so that is one side. I love it. I really, really like that. And then I have this side. And I think on this side, I'm going to go ahead and go with this stamp. Okay. So since you're going to get to see both sides, I'm going to decorate both sides. I've been using this this stamp for, and I love how it is looking throughout this journal. So this is also from the mini embellishment page. Okay, and I'm going to put it on and I'm going to let it kind of go off the side over here. So this one has been cut around the outside with my postage scissors. One of my favorite things that I get to use. Speaking of favorite things, I have a call out for a collab for January. January is our Just Junk Journal Challenge. And so if you would like to do a collaboration video telling us what your favorite junk and showing us how you use it in a journal, please message me at DearJulieJulie@gmail.com and I will get you the more information. yes, it is that simple. You don't have to, you just have to tell them that it's part of the collaboration, and I will be telling you how many years we've done the Just Junk Journal Challenge. So every January, we make a journal just out of junk. And for many of us, it is our favorite journals that we've ever made. Using things, junk, trash, and things from around our homes. So if you're interested, please let me know. If you can reach out to somebody that you think should do this, let me know. I think it'll be fun. So January, Just Junk Journal Challenge, collab. And then the collab part, of course, we'd love for you to join in on the challenge, but the collab part is just sharing your favorite junk to use. Okay, so here I have my hidden paperclip. So again, if you are interested in the collab and more information about that, we do want a video on YouTube. You can also do things on Instagram. And it is the January Just Junk Journal Collab 2025. Can you believe 2025? Oh my gosh. Email me at DearJulieJulie@gmail.com. And in the little thing, put Jan Collab. And that way I can separate out my emails. Okay, so that's my hidden paper clip. This was for the N on the second list of numbers. And of course, you guys, you can make the hidden paper clip bases and have them ready as a mass make. I think that would be amazing to just have a whole bunch. As a matter of fact, somewhere up here, I have a bunch that are made out of maps, hidden paper clips, that all I have to do is decorate to go with whatever we are doing. So there you go. We've used the ticket for our numbers. We also have Dear Julie Digitals. This is from the Butterfly Garden Digital, which gives you some butterflies that you can cut out, and then a whole bunch of floral pages and ephemera that then you can take those butterflies and add them to. That is the kit that I'm using mostly in this challenge this month, is the Butterfly Garden. Okay, I added the joint tape, I have scrapbook paper, and I have the little dot from the grabby bag, some lace, and I used a stamp. Okay, so all that, and that is ready for my November 1-2 Junk Journal Challenge. This is for list number 2, the N for November, and that was numbers. So thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget, I plan to have a little sale tomorrow at 12 o'clock noon. We'll be live at 10:30 with our Friday freebie. And then we will have, at 12 o'clock noon, we'll have a sale. Okay? So check that out. Find something to celebrate every day. Have an amazing day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.